Hello guys and welcome to another horror gameplay. This is SCP-3008. Yeah. Infinity Survivor. Hang on. Okay then. Let's do this. So let's try to survive until we die. For real? For real? Come on! Can't there be a mobile game, horror game that does not have ads? Oh my goodness, I cannot skip this one. It doesn't let me. We'll have to live through the torture. I do not see any axe, sadly. Why? What the hell? Oh, so much cringe. Look. Oh. Oh wait, there it is. I do not see that. No. Wait a minute. Wait, let me try this. Bruh. Don't call me a nerd, guys. What the what? Isn't high a word? Pit. Tick. No. But that makes sense. Nick. Kin. Hank. It's not a word. What do you mean? Whatever, fuck it. Fuck it. Not interested in it anyways. I just wanted to play a little bit because I was curious. Don't ask me why. But, oh, come on! Stop that! Can you please stop? I was playing! And I just left the ad! Oh, no. Not interested. Not interested. At all. Can I please go back to normal? Thank you. Day 1. Stuck in the Ikea like normal. Yup, this was where the doors... I know a lot about this SCP, so I should have some knowledge about it. So you know what? My goal, for now, is just to explore. So, of course, I do not know what to do. What the hell? No. Thank you for understanding. Wait, you can sleep? For real. Okay, cool. Nah. Don't ask how I'm doing this, guys. Oh, come on! There's no way I could have missed that. Okay, really? How did I even miss? So there's limits in this place? How do I leave? Okay, yes, I know there's energy in this game. But you know what? Whatever. Let's just run! Okay, running is actually pretty damn laggy. Oh, it seems that this store is pretty damn humongous. Ooh. I should really stop wasting my energy. There they are! So, you know, guys, at nighttime, he will try to attack, I bet. Listen, dude, you can't hurt me. But just in case if it turns night out of nowhere, I'm just gonna hide in a reasonable area. There we go. And you have HP in this game. Which is amazing. This game is really unique. Just sit in. So my goal is to actually like survive for as long as I can. Or I can try to find the exit, which is possible. I should probably stay out of his way. That should be a good idea. Probably not a smart place to go. So there's computers in here. I could probably use these to my advantage. Don't know how. But whatever. Oh shit. I think I explored the entire store by now already. So I just have to survive one kid. Oh, so I have to unlock places, I guess. So you know what? I'm kind of bored. What happens if I sleep? I don't want it to turn night on me and then he starts attacking me. Just cause. I'm lost! No, I gotta find that bed. Yes, there they are. So what happens if I sleep? What? Finally. Do you want to sleep? Yes. I wonder what happens if I do so. Oh, come on. No, I'm not interested in crap. What the what? Oh, like, it's so boring. Why? Oh my goodness. I just slept. Nothing happened, nothing new. So I have to unlock places just by surviving. So I have to deal with like one dude. Alright then. You know what? I can do this, guys. I can do this. At least my phone has infinite battery in this game, so definitely. Look, my phone has a freaking flashlight. Oh shit, oh shit. And the music's gone. What the what? Okay, there's something weird with this particular spot. There we go. No, I can't hide there. What the hell? Oh, I'm scared so much. Wait, does he know where I am? What do you want with me? What the hell did I do to you? I never did crap. Well, I guess I'm running. Oh, at least there's no jump scares. Hey, what did I ever do to you? Oh, so I have to run? Damn. So he knows where I am immediately? Oh my goodness. I think I'm only gonna do this day, thank you. So, it's 20. Fuck you. You know what? Let's just be friends. Fuck. I can't see. Come on! How's that fair? I could not see a thing. And leave me alone, you stupid ads. What are you doing?
State of survival. Free now.
What? He knew where I am. He knew. What the hell? So, what am I supposed to do here? I honestly did not really last long. Yeah, I think they immediately know where you are in the... Hang on, let me get some research about this SCP. I'm beginning to theorize it's probably because my hiding spot was pretty obvious. Yeah, it was actually pretty obvious, so that's why. Or he was probably very near and I was at the wrong hiding spot. Guys, Google just keeps on freezing, so you know what? I cannot get any info. So you know what? I'm probably going to assume that my hiding spot was shitty. So you know what? Let's take another attempt at this. One more. Restart. Fine. Don't tell me I have to start at night. Oh, no! You almost looked at her underwear, you fucking weirdo. Avoid that place. Oh, that's where she could be hiding it, because you would never look there. Wait a minute. What was that? Look at her hair! Look at her hair! At her hair! You fucking weird. Fuck you. No! No. My goodness, I'm trying to play Infinity Survival, you freak. Bro, these people want dick. Okay, that was wrong. Come on! The game just started! I absolutely hate ads. They're so annoying. Ah! Oh my god! Guys, the recording stopped because of those dumb ads. So you know what? I'll make sure that ads do not bother me again. Ah! 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 Leave me alone! God damn you! Come on, I have to just survive this day. Come on, I have to just survive this night. Oh my goodness, he knew where I was. Why? Why? My goodness, why can't I hide from the monster once? Why? 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 What the hell? What the hell? Leave me alone. Please, spare me. I did nothing to you, you fucker. Okay, why don't you say the lines though? At least say the lines. Maybe then I'll accept the chase. But I will not accept it, cause you're not saying it. You're not saying leave the store right now. Say it! Oh my goodness, you suck. I think the one for computer is actually better. But, whatever. It's whatever. I have mobile, and that I have to accept. So you know, I'm just gonna have to run far freaking away. Hey, jackass! What the fuck? Can I run? God damn it! This fucking music! I need that bed! Or will he kill me? Oh my goodness. Shithead, I cannot be running forever like this. You asshole! Deliberate. You deliberate motherfucker! I just did that, huh, bitch, huh? Really? Come on! It's nighttime and you're playing the day music. Hang on. I can't. Fuck! Ah! Fuck you! It's because of the damn ads. They're so annoying. Don't be shocked. That's fake. This is fake. I hate this. No, you're an asshole. And you destroyed my recording, you jerk. My goodness. It's gonna be really difficult. Huh. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Bye. And I'll play another horror game, maybe. Yeah.